Emergency alert! A thunderstorm is coming in 20 minutes and 3 minutes. What? An emergency alert? On my phone? Oh no, it's coming in 3 minutes! What should we do now? Brother, wake up! Yes, my daughter, why? My emergency alert is coming! It's a thunderstorm in 3 minutes! Oh, what? That's incredible! I don't know about this! Mommy, Daddy! Mommy! Yes? What's wrong? An emergency alert is coming! Oh, what? How did they know? An emergency alert? I'm so scared. Yes, of the thunderstorm. We need to bring belongings. Okay, I need to bring my phone. I need to bring my lollipop. I need to bring my toy and all things is stuffed. Right now I need to wear clothes. Let's go. Oh no. I'm sorry, baby Alex. I didn't know about this. We need to go right now. I need to bring this. Everything is all stuff. Wait, I need to bring my teddy bear. We need to go. Yes. We need to go. Come on, come on. We need to go find it somewhere. Emergency alert part 2. A thunderstorm is coming in 20 minutes. A rain is here. Leave your baby alone. What? Oh no. I'm really sorry, baby, because emergency alert said that. So we need to run away. Yes. I miss my baby. Let's go. We need to find a way. Let's go to the Roxy Villa.
Hey, Abby! What have you done?
I need to... Go to the Roxy Villa. Becomes part 2.